Hello designers, I'm your host, Mr. Granlund. I'm going to show you how to do some text with a picture inside of it. Now first, I'm going to make a word. This is going to be, I'm going to use my text tool, and I'm going to type in elf. Now it's very, very small, so I'm going to select that and then make it a lot bigger. Now it only goes up to 150. I still need it bigger, so I'm going to actually type in 550. I need it even bigger than that. Let's try 1550. That looks pretty good. And so what I would like to do is I'd like to have Will Ferrell here be the L of elf. And one of the things that you can do is you can bring the picture above the word, and then you're going to create a clipping mask from here. So if I right click on there and I click on clipping mask, we get this. And this might actually be okay for you, but we're going to actually go a couple of steps beyond this. But for some of the things that you're going to do, this is going to be perfectly okay. So I'm going to actually duplicate this layer, and I'm going to turn off clipping mask. I'm going to put this behind or underneath layer elf here. Now it doesn't look like anything's changed. This is going to be one of my background layers, so I'm actually going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. I'm going to crank this up really high. Click OK. Now I'm going to duplicate layer 2 again. So right click, duplicate layer, and I'm going to hold Control and click on elf. And then I'm going to go to layer 2 copy, and I'm going to click on this little rectangle with a circle cut out, and that's called add raster mask. Now I'm going to click on my brush tool. I'm going to click on the mask here that says elf in white, and I'm going to change my color to white, and I'm also going to change the size of my brush and probably the hardness too. And so what I am doing, oh, and I right click, turn off clipping mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint out some of this, so you have Buddy the Elf kind of sticking out from the L here. And if I want to erase, I change the color to black. There. I'm going to come back, but I'm going to be erasing around this very carefully so that I just have Buddy the Elf, kind of a nice tight selection just around his arms here. Right, so what I have here is I have a number of layers. I have 4 layers. So I have body of the elf, where he's just cut out on the L. I have this clipping mask on layer 2, which is cut out to the elf text here, and then I have a really faded out layer 2 copy, so it's just really blurred out. Now on this top layer, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to blending options. I'm going to select drop shadow, and then I'm going to change the angle so the shadow is kind of going up and to the right at an angle. Increase the distance, maybe decrease the opacity a little bit, increase the size a little bit, and click OK. And so here I have my body of the elf. He's kind of sticking out of that L there, and this is a great project. So I'm going to go ahead and File, Export as JPEG, and save it and turn it into Schoology. Alright, I can't wait to see your awesome pictures inside of texts.